We aren't always aware of this truth, but it's still accurate. Our words matter, not just because they impact others, but because they reveal what's really going on in our heart. Luke 6:45 reminds us that whatever's overflowing in your heart will eventually spill out in your speech. Jesus says, "The good person out of the good treasure of his heart produces good, for out of the abundance of the heart, his mouth speaks." And if you're like most people, some of that overflow isn't great, especially in the ways we speak about ourselves. We say things like, "I'm not enough, I'm unlovable, I'll never change." These aren't just bad habits, they're deep lies that try to redefine who you are. But here's the truth. Those lies all start with two little words: I am. And that matters because I am is how God names himself in Exodus 3:14. He is the source of all truth about all things, including who you are. So if what you're saying doesn't align with his voice, it's time to flip the script. You are not what shame says. You are who God says you are. You are loved. You are forgiven. You are chosen, and not because you've earned it, but because the great I am has spoken it over you through Christ. The gospel says Jesus took the punishment for every lie we've believed, and now we stand free, defined by his truth. So today, start filling your heart with his word. Let that be the overflow. Speak life, speak hope, speak what God says, and watch your heart and mouth come alive.